Let's talk about garlic, the tiny bulb that transforms your food in ways you might not even realize. It's the secret behind the aroma that fills your kitchen, the flavor that elevates your favorite dishes, and the ingredient that chefs and home cooks alike can't live without. Garlic is more than just a seasoning, it's a culinary powerhouse that's been cherished for thousands of years. But beyond its role in your kitchen, garlic quietly powers a global industry worth billions. From small family farms to massive agricultural operations, garlic is grown, harvested, and shipped across continents, connecting people and cultures through a shared love of flavor. It's in nearly everything you eat, from pasta sauces to stir-fries, but have you ever wondered how it gets from muddy fields to your kitchen table? The journey is far more complex and fascinating than you might think. Behind every clove is a massive operation, mega factories, high-tech machinery, and a worldwide obsession with flavor. These facilities process thousands of tons of garlic every year, ensuring that the garlic you use is fresh, clean, and ready to go. Most of us only see the finished product, a perfect bulb at the market or a jar of minced garlic on the shelf. But there's a world of hard work, innovation, and tradition behind that convenience. Every clove represents the labor of countless hands and the ingenuity of modern food science. It all starts in sprawling fields where garlic is planted, nurtured, and harvested by skilled farmers. From there, it's loaded onto trucks and transported to high-tech factories humming with progress, where the real transformation begins. Today we're pulling back the curtain on the journey of garlic, from planting to packaging. You'll see how this humble crop is cultivated, processed, and prepared for kitchens around the world. We'll follow garlic from the earth to the factory, revealing the fascinating blend of ancient farming wisdom and cutting-edge automation. It's a story of tradition meeting technology, where age-old techniques are enhanced by modern machines. You might think you know garlic, but after this, you'll never look at it the same way again. From rare varieties to unusual shapes, there's a whole world of garlic waiting to be discovered. This is the story of how a humble vegetable becomes a kitchen essential, cherished by cultures everywhere, and celebrated in cuisines from Italy to China. Get ready to see the real, gritty process behind your favorite flavor. From peeling to packing, every step is a testament to human ingenuity and hard work. Let's dive into the world of industrial garlic production, where science, skill, and passion come together to bring garlic from the field to your fork. This is the untold story of your food, a journey of flavor, tradition, and innovation that starts with a single clove and ends on your plate. Garlic farming begins with the land itself, fields that stretch as far as the eye can see, blanketed in rich, fertile soil. These sprawling acres are the foundation of every harvest, and the first step in a process that will take months of patience and care. Specialized tractors, equipped with advanced planters, move methodically across the fields, planting thousands of garlic cloves every hour. Each clove is placed at just the right depth and spacing, ensuring that every plant has the best possible start. The soil is the lifeblood of the farm. It must be well drained, rich in nutrients, and carefully prepared to support healthy garlic growth. Farmers spend countless hours examining the earth, making sure it's just right. Before planting, the ground is tested, amended, and tilled. Farmers add organic matter and nutrients, working the soil until it's loose and welcoming. A perfect home for the garlic cloves that will soon take root. Garlic is planted in the fall, just as the air begins to cool. The cloves settle into the earth, where they'll lie dormant through the cold winter months, protected by a blanket of soil and sometimes straw. For up to 9 months, the garlic remains in the ground. During this time, irrigation systems deliver just the right amount of water, and farmers keep a close watch, making sure the young plants stay healthy and strong. Garlic's natural aroma helps keep some pests away, but not all. Farmers use integrated pest management, combining careful monitoring, natural predators, and targeted treatments to protect the crop without harming the environment. As spring turns to summer, the garlic plants send up tall green shoots. Above ground, they soak up sunlight, while below, they channel energy into forming plump, flavorful bulbs. When the lower leaves begin to brown and the stalks droop, it's a sign that the garlic is mature. The plants have given all they can, and the bulbs are ready to be lifted from the earth. After months of tending, the farmer's hard work is about to pay off. There's a sense of anticipation in the air as the harvest approaches. The once quiet fields are about to come alive with activity. Harvesting machines and workers move in, ready to gather the fruits of a season's labor. This is the most exciting time on the farm. Machines rumble, workers move quickly, and the fields are transformed as garlic is pulled from the soil in great, fragrant bundles. The journey from tiny seed clove to mature bulb is nearly complete. Each garlic bulb is a testament to months of careful planning, hard work, and the rhythms of nature. Now, as the machines lift the garlic from the ground and begin the first steps of processing, the cycle of farm life continues, ready to nourish people around the world. Harvesting garlic is a race against time. As the sun rises over the fields, farmers know that every hour counts. The window for perfect harvest is narrow. Wait too long and the bulbs may split or rot. Start too early, and the garlic won't reach its full potential. Timing is everything, and anticipation fills the air as the first machines roll in. Industrial harvesters, massive, complex machines, replace hand tools, slicing through soil with precision. Their spinning blades cut deep into the earth, loosening the bulbs with remarkable efficiency. These machines are engineered for speed and accuracy, ensuring that each garlic plant is unearthed at just the right moment. Conveyors then lift entire plants from the earth, carrying them gently but swiftly up and away from the soil. The process is mesmerizing, a seamless flow of garlic plants moving from ground to machine, a dance of technology and nature working together. Dirt and debris are shaken off by vibrating screens and rollers, revealing the pale bulbs beneath. This step is crucial, as it helps prevent spoilage and prepares the garlic for the next stage. Powerful fans and air jets then blow away any remaining loose soil, leaving the garlic cleaner and ready for processing. The roar of the fans is a constant backdrop, a reminder of the scale of the operation. Next, a topper slices off the green stalks, leaving just the bulbs. This mechanical precision ensures uniformity and reduces the need for manual labor, speeding up the entire process. The stalks are left behind to decompose in the field, returning valuable nutrients to the soil. This natural recycling enriches the land, setting the stage for next season's crops and supporting sustainable farming practices. Bins and trucks collect thousands of pounds of garlic every hour, moving the harvest from field to storage with impressive speed. The scale is staggering. What once took days by hand now happens in mere hours. The air is thick with the scent of fresh earth and garlic, a pungent aroma that signals the success of the harvest. It's a sensory experience, rich, earthy, and unmistakable. It's a high-stakes, all-hands-on-deck operation. Machines and people work side by side, each playing a vital role in bringing in the crop before the weather changes or the window closes. Days of intense work bring in the harvest. As the sun sets, exhaustion mixes with pride, another season's bounty safely gathered. The fieldwork is done, but the garlic's journey is just beginning. Next stop, the factory, where the adventure continues and the humble garlic bulb is transformed for kitchens around the world. At the factory, sorting begins. Conveyor belts carry garlic through air jets and brushes for a thorough cleaning. Optical sorters scan each bulb, instantly identifying size, shape, and defects. Rejected bulbs are whisked away by puffs of air. Automation at its finest. Only the best bulbs move forward. Imperfect ones become minced garlic or powder. Human inspectors provide a final check, catching what machines might miss. This blend of technology and human skill ensures top quality. Clean sorted bulbs are ready for the next stage. The great cleanup is complete. Now it's time to peel. The transformation continues. Peeling garlic at home is tedious. Imagine doing it by the ton. Machines called bulb breakers gently separate bulbs into cloves. Compressed air or steam loosens the skins, which are blown or rubbed off. The result? Perfectly peeled, gleaming cloves. Some are packaged whole, but most are chopped, minced, or sliced by industrial processors. Machines deliver any cut imaginable, fast and consistent. Hygiene is paramount. Everything is stainless steel, and workers suit up for safety. The aroma is intense, the pace relentless. In minutes, raw garlic becomes a ready-to-use ingredient. The factory floor is a whirlwind of motion and scent. Next, it's time to make garlic last. Fresh garlic spoils quickly, so factories use science to preserve it. Dehydration removes moisture, stopping bacteria and mold. Sliced garlic dries in giant ovens, then becomes granules or powder. Freeze-drying preserves flavor and nutrition by turning ice directly to vapor. The result: lightweight, shelf-stable garlic that rehydrates instantly. Products are sealed in airtight packaging, often with desiccants to keep them dry. These methods make garlic available year-round everywhere. Food science and engineering lock in flavor for the long haul. Preserved garlic is ready for kitchens worldwide, but there's more than just powder. Let's talk garlic oil. Garlic oil is liquid gold, capturing pure flavor for cooking and supplements. Factories use steam distillation. Steam passes through crushed garlic, carrying aromatic oils. The steam condenses, separating water from a thin layer of essential oil. It takes hundreds of pounds of garlic to make just 1 pound of oil. For infused oils, garlic steeps in warm carrier oil, then is filtered for clarity. Every batch is tested for purity and flavor. Bottled in dark containers, the oil is protected from light. Whether distilled or infused, it's a concentrated taste of garlic. This is the essence of the bulb, captured in a bottle. Next, we ensure it's safe for your table. In megafactories, quality control is non-negotiable. The garlic police test every batch from arrival to final package. Samples are pulled constantly for lab analysis, checking for bacteria, moisture, acidity, and flavor. Metal detectors and X-rays catch any foreign materials. If anything's off, production stops until it's fixed. Every product gets a unique code, tracing it from field to package. This system allows quick recalls if needed, protecting consumers and the company. Safety and consistency are the top priorities. It's a complex web of checks and balances. Only the best garlic makes it to your table. Diligence and detail keep the process clean. The journey is almost complete. Now it's time for garlic to go global. The final step is packaging, fast, precise, and automated. Garlic is sealed in jars, bags, or bulk boxes, each labeled with vital info and traceability codes. Robotic arms stack cases onto pallets ready for shipping. Warehouses store mountains of garlic awaiting global distribution. Trucks, trains, and ships carry it to stores and restaurants worldwide. The logistics network never stops, feeding a global appetite for garlic. Next time you grab garlic at the store, remember its incredible journey. From field to factory, it's been handled by skilled hands and powerful machines. It's a story of teamwork and technology, all for that burst of flavor on your plate. That's the real story behind your favorite kitchen hero.